Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is Introduction to Solar Energy and Temperature Variations. The Earth is full of diverse climates and temperatures. One significant form of diversity is the variation in temperature, which influences daily and seasonal changes. For instance, mornings are cooler, while the afternoons become warmer. Similarly, some months are hotter compared to others, reflecting temperature variations at a single location. Temperature also varies geographically, with some regions remaining warm and others, such as polar regions, staying covered in ice year-round. Equatorial areas are warm throughout the year, while polar regions are extremely cold. These temperature differences impact winds, rainfall, and even vegetation, determining the types of plants and animals that can thrive in specific regions. Solar energy, the sun's role in Earth's energy. The sun serves as the primary source of energy for Earth, constantly emitting light and heat in the form of solar radiation. This energy sustains life, drives weather patterns, and supports ecosystems. Greenhouses, artificial environments for plants. Human innovation has allowed the growth of crops in extreme climates through greenhouses. These structures have transparent walls and roofs that trap heat, creating favorable conditions for plant growth. For instance, crops like paddy are cultivated in artificially marshy environments. Understanding solar radiation and insolation. Solar energy received by Earth is called insolation. However, not all the sun's energy reaches the Earth's surface due to several factors. Reflection by atmosphere. 1/3 of solar energy is reflected back into space. Absorption in atmosphere. Some energy is absorbed or scattered by the atmosphere, clouds, and dust. Harmful rays blocked. Harmful UV rays are absorbed in the upper atmosphere, making life possible. Impact of Earth's shape on solar energy distribution. Due to Earth's curved surface, solar energy distribution is uneven. Near the equator, rays are direct and concentrated on smaller areas, leading to higher temperatures. Toward the poles, rays are slanted, covering larger areas and resulting in cooler temperatures. Angle of incidence and energy distribution. The angle at which solar rays strike Earth is critical. For example, at the equator, 0 degrees 100 units of energy are received. At 45 degrees latitude, 75 units are received. At the poles, 90 degrees, only 40 units are received. Seasonal changes in temperature. Earth's orbit around the Sun causes seasonal changes in the angle of solar rays. This results in varying temperatures across months. For example, northern latitudes receive lower angels in winter and higher angels in summer. Land and water temperature contrasts. Land heats and cools faster than water, resulting in varying temperatures. Land heats quickly, causing rapid temperature rises. Water heats slowly but retains heat longer, moderating nearby climates. Heating of the atmosphere. Interestingly, the sun's rays do not directly heat the atmosphere. Instead, sunlight heats the Earth's surface. The Earth's surface radiates heat, warming the air above it. This explains why temperatures are warmer near the ground than at higher altitudes. Heat balance and global warming. Earth maintains a heat balance. A portion of received heat is reflected back into space. The rest heats the surface and atmosphere, which radiates heat back into space. When this balance is disrupted, issues like global warming arise, often due to increased carbon dioxide from deforestation and fossil fuel usage. High and low temperatures on Earth. Highest recorded temperature, 57.5 degrees Celsius in Azizia, Libya, 1922. Lowest recorded temperature, minus 89.2 degrees Celsius in Vostok Station, Antarctica, 1983. Factors affecting temperature variations. Proximity to the sea. Coastal areas have moderate climates due to the sea's influence. Inland areas like Hyderabad experience extreme climates with significant temperature differences between summer and winter. Elevation and temperature. Temperature decreases with height. For every 1000 meters of elevation, the temperature drops by about 6 degrees Celsius. For example, Shimla, 2200 m, is cooler than Delhi, 200 m. Inversion of temperature. In winter mornings, lower temperatures near the ground cause dew formation. This phenomenon, called inversion, occurs due to reduced insolation and excessive nighttime radiation. Temperatures across latitudes. Equatorial regions, example Indonesia, are warm year-round with no winters. Temperatures decrease as we move north or south from the equator, introducing distinct seasons. Using temperature maps. Temperature maps visually represent variations across regions. For example, India's January temperatures show no area with an average above 30 degrees Celsius. Maps are colored to indicate temperature zones, aiding in comparative analysis. This comprehensive study of solar energy and temperature variations highlights the intricate relationships between Earth's energy sources, atmospheric dynamics, and life. Thanks for watching.